Vítajte, milí diváci a divačky u našeho Let's Play a Gameplay. Môžete spojiť, ak chcete, z hry Assassin's Creed 2. Viete, kde sme skončili, sme bojovali, no tak dám vám rekapituláciu, keď modlíte sa už o to. Takže najskôr sme zistili, že viete, ja neviem rekapituláciu, ideme ďalej za tým.
Good morning, Father.
Nechám vás.
Come with me.
Something wrong?
Do you think me blind and deaf, son? I know all about your fight with getting Patsy last night. And then this little visit to Christina. Your behavior is unacceptable. It reminds me of myself when I was your age. I assume these misadventures won't interfere with your work today.
No, Padre. Avete la mia parola.
I've prepared some documents here for Lorenzo Di Medici to review. I need them delivered to him.
With haste, Father.
They turn to me when it's done.
Buchal som do mikrofónu. Takže hneď je prvá misia. Nie prvá. Sme tak trochu si... Čakaj, tyho... Shut up. Shut up, ja som chcel... Oni kričia ako o život. Sa ho zabijem takto. Áno, utekajte pred tým asasínom. Run, gums! Ideme si vyšplhať. Vyšlo. Teraz. Počkajte. Skočím? I'm stuck. Ach, ja menu tak pripálovať. Drb. Takto sa to robí u nás v Texase. Čo by sme ešte urobili? Ideme synchronizovať? Nie. No dáme si synchronizáciu, nevidím na mapu. Dajte milí fanúšikovia. Co som mohol dať? No nebudeme hovoriť o... Pred chvíľkou budeme hovoriť o teraz. Počkaj. To by som si vidíte? Čo vám to pripomína? Pičuňata. Čo ma to pripomína? Tretí večiak na druhý. Môže sa... No. Sa to dám. Dal sa. Ale vidíte, stále to oni napravujú, že padneš tam, ale naozaj padneš tam. Ja nehľadám boj. Delám si hovno, ja rád bojujem. A hlavne takýmto spôsobom. No videli ste, že... Bum, palal som. Že ja jedno z týchto hodím. Hodím sa. No, stenu. Koho nevidíš, no. Okolo ho to zabije? Prvá facka, druhá facka. Tretia facka. Boli facky len.
Ben trovato. How are you? Come sempre. I have a letter for Messer Lorenzo.
I'll see that he receives it when he returns.
Returns?
They've gone to Villa Careggi, I'm afraid, and not expected back for at least another day.
I'll let my father know.
Bum. Takže neviem už hovoriť nič. Som úplne lenivý, kondičné tréningy. Prečo vám to hovorím? Vystrihnem. A nechápem, ak môže sa takto... By som hodinu nechal a hodinu by držal. To musí mať svaly ako prasa. Ako prasa. Tak. On čo ako Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Like my pig is. Like a kill. A čo sa dá robiť, fanúšikovia? Čo sa dá robiť? Padol som o Žims. Tak skočil. Som tam byť. To je asasínovia. To bude asi len krátší diel, alebo tam na hodinu. Dám ho na hodinu. Aj pol. Lebo som dobrý človek, ja vás mám rád. Nechápem, prečo si berem túto ťažkú cestu. Šňops. Prežijeme to. I can't believe.
Keep up the good work. Bischero. You worry too much, Giovanni. Francesco Di Pazzi is in prison. The threat is ending.
Hej. Chrávi. Zatvori si dvere.
Good morning, Gonfaloniere Alberto. To you as well, young man.
I trust you delivered the message.
Si, padre. But it seems Lorenzo is out of town.
I
Sì,
do
micro
not
computer.
anticipate this.
What does it matter? So you wait another day or two.
Listen, your mother and sister have been looking for you. I'll need you again in a little while, but for now, see if you can't help them.
Are you sure?
Yes, now if you excuse us.
Good to see you, Ezio.
Nie. Pedrom začnem. Pedro!
What are you doing out there, Petruccio? You should be in bed.
I want those feathers.
Tita
for?
pera.
It's a secret.
If I get them for you, will you go back inside?
Yes, I promise.
Pedro, daj mi euro. Pedro sa zase tam za Pedro žuvačky, normálny Pedro's game. Som si grgol ten. Ja si začnem natáčať Minecraft the Platypus. Sa nechce vpravde. Som o tejto hre len sníval. Minulých časoch, keď som mal drevený počítač. Čože wooden comp. Moje pera. Vráťte tá pierka Petrúšovi. Aké pierka? Neviem, žiadny pero. Neviem, sme padli šepy? No, bucha som na mikrofón. Musím s čo zobrať na to. No. Veď tak tu sám už by ste mohli vedieť, že to je Assassin. Ideme. Naše sklízačky. Drž, moje peniaze. Čakaj. Napijem sa.
Here, as promised.
Grazie, brother.
You still haven't told me why you want these.
I will. In time.
No to mi povedzte, čo sa stane s tým spojom. Oni náhľu. Vedieť niečo o tých pérkach. Dobre, na ňu.
Hey, Claudia. How are you?
Bene.
You shouldn't keep things from me.
It's Duccio.
What have you?
I think he's been unfaithful.
Who told you this?
The other girls. I thought they were my friends.
Harpies. We're better off without them.
I loved him.
No, Claudia. You only thought you did.
He should suffer for what he's done.
Wait here.
I'll go have a word with him.
Dajcie tutto. Bira pirka. Teraz mi to prepáč, že trochu seká ako pepš. Až budem dávať video v HD. Prepáč, že pár videí bolo 480 grafike. To som bol trochu zlý na vás. A som mám dať len na jedno video. Ja ho vidím.
Duccio, it's a beautiful.
Nothing but the best for you. I'm more than you.
But what of Claudia? I thought you'd been promised to her.
The father said I could do much better than in Auditore.
Ah, Birbante! Come, let us walk a bit.
What? I had something else in mind.
Oh, Duccio.
Hey! Lurido porco!
Ezio, my friend. Ah, ma che
Aby som si ho niečo dal.
Sister, parading around with this puttana.
What are you talking about?
I saw the gift you gave her. Heard the things you said.
Maybe your sister shouldn't be so stingy with her virtù.
You broke her heart.
Ha! And now I'm going to break your face. You auditore is all talk.
You'll regret ever opening your mouth.
I could have taught your sister a great many things. She's lucky to have had someone like me.
Bastardo!
Brano. Zomnul hlavu. Teraz by som chcel dať.
Welcome, my sister!
Počkaj, to tak... Ja ťa nenechám až tak ľahko prejsť tým. Ja ti najskôr dám hubu. Ešte okradnem. Ty si dobrý bohač bol, veríš mi? Budem ti skákať na hlave. Tak zmlátený z hubou krvavou. No, neviem aké dlhé video. Už som aj tak lenivý. Som že bať stop, kid, stop. Can't tire this. Ešte urobíme poslednú misiu a ukončujem video. Bude to asi kratšie, neviem. Že taký mega jump. A posledná.
Buongiorno, Ezio.
Buongiorno a voi, madre. Come state?
Sto bene. And you? Still recovering from last night?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Of course not. Anyway, I have an errand to run. I'd like you to join me.
Con piacere.
Come, it's not far from here.
Príjmeme. A sledujte Maria Auditore da nikdy nezomre Firenzie.
What fight?
Per piacere. Let's not play this game.
He spoke ill of us. I could not allow him to continue.
I'm sure he's having a hard time dealing with the accusations against his father. Francesco di Pazzi is many things, and none of them good. But even I never suspected he'd be capable of murder.
Ale je.
What happened to him?
I imagine there will be a trial.
Will father speak at him?
He'll have to. He's the one with the evidence.
Still, I wish there was another way.
You've nothing to fear. Everyone wants justice done. It is an unfortunate state of affairs, but it will pass.
Peniaze. Kolejną tuczką. Ďakujem. Ďakujem. Ešte raz vám ďakujem. A ešte raz.
Here we are. Hello, Leonardo.
Madonna Maria,
This is my son, Ezio.
molto onorato.
L'onore è mio.
Let me go and fetch the paintings. I'll be right back.
He's very talented.
Isté, že...
Self-expression is vital to understanding and enjoying life. You should find an outlet.
I have plenty of outlets.
I meant besides vaginas.
Back to your house then.
Si. Ezio, help Leonardo, will you?
Zobral za krk.
So Ezio, what do you do?
He's been working for his father.
You're to be a banker.
For now. And you, art was it?
Truth be told, it's been difficult for me to say.
Ježe,
Painting is nice.
chodite sa na toto. Ježiš,
I don't know.
stoknem.
Purpose.
Že,
Does that make sense?
ideme na to!
Contribute more practically.
Ideme!
Directly. Architecture, perhaps, or anatomy. I'm not good at
Ona je zazinka.
I want to change it.
Oh, Leonardo, I have no doubt you'll go on to do great things.
Vi ringrazio, Madonna. That's kind of you.
No, teraz tie obrazy musia byť zničené. Let's play all night. Že, počkaj, že tam v tom je Mona Lisa, že UX! Nie, že, ešte raz. Že Rebel City, že hádem do všetko do kaluží. Že, hop! A do kaluží to padlo. Kokso. Som zmlatil. Vidíte, ako sú tam obrazy? Na ich žien. Prepáčte, ale toto som si nemohol nechať ujsť. Šprint. Vyhodujem.
Thank you for your help.
Čečem.
Don't let me keep you from your other duties.
It was nice to meet you, Ezio. I hope our paths cross again.
Anch'io.
Takže, milí fanúšikovia, alebo ak som to povedal, diváci a diváčky, som Slovak, prepačte. Takže, za 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, čaute.